Hi guys, how are ya? Hope everything is well. Welcome to week 7 PT Online. This week is gonna be bananas. Thank you for last week for those very interesting surface treatment designs using the template. There were some really creative solutions. Like some people put them on top of a guitar, some on two Kleenex boxes put side to side. Really neat. My hope for you is to derive inspiration from your surroundings and see things maybe in new ways and then apply them to your artwork, to your ceramics. It will make you a better artist and just a overall more creative person. Thanks to everyone who picked up and dropped off projects last week. Just so you know, the last bisque kiln happened last week. Okay, if you have work in the bisque kiln, you need to contact me and let me know what glazes or paints you need so I know how to pack them up. No bisqueware is going to leave that ceramics room until I hear whether you need paint or glaze. Most of you are already past that stage. You're glazing your artwork and all you have to do is drop it off for me. Well, guess what? This is your last week to do it because I'm going to fire that glaze kiln on Thursday, May 7th. So you need to drop it off at the office between 11 and 1, either Monday, May 4th or Wednesday, May 6th, okay? If those two times don't work for you, I understand. Let me know. We can make arrangements, okay? You're not going to be penalized if you can't pick up or drop off work. It's tough. We're making the best of a bad situation, okay? It just won't get done this year. I'll give you an exempt in the grade book. I'll keep the underclassmen projects until the fall and we can decide what to do then. Seniors, we'll see what happens here. There's some talk that you're going to be able to at least get in the building and get your stuff. So we'll see what happens, okay? This week I've created a really interesting project where you can stretch your imagination, maybe even use your idea next year if you're coming back to ceramics with actual clay. Like I said, it's going to be bananas. Okay, you're going to have 2 grades and they're both going to be due Friday. The first is actually, let's look at the screen. Okay, here you go. The first is going to be an email, and I don't have it up on Google Classroom yet. I apologize. Basically, I would like you to tell me which fruit or vegetable you chose and what is it about that fruit or vegetable that inspires you, okay? The second, you're going to go through this complete presentation, all right? Please make sure you're going through the slides. This takes time to put together. A lot of you didn't get the gist of the template assignment last week, and I don't know if you didn't look at the slideshow or what, but you've got to look at the slideshow. There's a reason it's there, okay? Oh, I don't want to do this. All right, but anyway, you can see it's a very colorful slideshow, okay? All right, let's do this. And the grades, there's a little excerpt from the Great Pottery Throwdown here. It's called Water Pictures Inspired by Fruit or Vegetable. It's like 10 minutes and it's really interesting what they do and it'll go along with what I'm asking you to do. This week, okay, here's your final graded document. It's a 50-point document. I broke it down. You're gonna have to take some photographs, okay, of your fruit or vegetable. Okay, and it's going to be a place setting. You're going to need to make a design for a plate, a bowl, a drinking vessel, mug, cup, goblet, anything like that, and a fork and a spoon, all inspired by a fruit or a vegetable, okay? You take 3 photographs, make some preliminary thumbnail sketches, and then do a final design. So you're going to be designers this week. Okay, let's go here. There we go. I'm back. That's good. After this week, guys, the end's in sight. You have just 1 more week of any new ceramic assignments, and trust me, it's going to be a piece of cake. Very simple. This is really the last week that you are going to be tasked to do something, okay? The next week it might just be a simple email, read an article, that's it. Because the last week of school, May 18th through the 22nd, we're going to take that entire week and just get caught up. Any past due grades, any publishing on Artsonia you need to do, anything like that, okay? The last day of school stays on May 22nd. That's it. All right. So thank you all for going above and beyond. Please get your glaze projects in. Any materials that I send home, please bring them back to me during those office hours and let me know if you need anything. As always, I really look forward to seeing your work this week. Bye now.